When elders are gathered under the moonlight, one absence could turn into a costly mistake. I have a story to tell you, so sit back and listen carefully. The title of my story today is The Absentee Fowl. The opening proverb is, "If you are not there to disagree, others will agree for you." Once upon a time, when domestic animals were very frightened, because anytime an important visitor came to town, it meant that one of them must be killed to feast the guests. Lately, they heard that their master was expecting an important guest. Cow immediately called a meeting for all domestic animals to attend.
Tell everyone, let us all have a meeting.
When it was time for the meeting, Goat asked Fowl to go with him.
We have been called for a meeting. Come with me.
No, I don't have time for the meeting.
I heard that Master is expecting important guests, and you know what that means.
Dog passed Fowl on his way and saw her chasing a grasshopper to eat.
It's time for our meeting. Leave everything that you are doing. I understand that today's meeting is very important.
You worry too much. You all are smart. And so whatever decision you all take, I will stand by it.
When the meeting started, the chairman Cow looked around and noticed that all the domestic animals were there except Fowl.
Why is Fowl absent?
Both Goat and Dog told Cow that Fowl said that she would not attend the meeting, but that whatsoever decision they took was all right with her. So Cow reminded the animals about the problem of killing one of them to entertain their master's guests. How will this problem be solved, such that the rest of the animals would be all at ease?
Perhaps each time a visitor came, you all would vote for the animal to be selected for slaughter? Or how do we solve this problem?
The animals considered this and came to a decision. Instead of voting each time, they agreed that
So we have all come to a conclusive decision now that, instead of voting each time a visitor came, Fowl will be killed for feasting.
When the animals returned from the meeting, they gave Fowl the news.
We all resolved in the meeting that you will be killed and used as feast whenever we have visitors.
See what my absence has cost me.
Fowl cried and blamed herself, saying that if you are not there to disagree, others will agree for you. This is why Fowl is always slaughtered to make food for important guests. Check me! Whoa! This story has two morals, and they include: number 1, always be present at meetings to protect your interests. Moral number 2, always cast your votes at elections. Otherwise, do not complain when a poor choice has been made by voters. I hope you all learned something from this story, because I learned a lot too. That's all that we have for today. Have a wonderful evening.